Hey guys, this is Andy from AquaLab Creations, and I just want to show you this really badass filter room we have down here. Now, this is a sump that's plumbed down in the basement. The aquarium's upstairs, which I'll show you all later, but I just want to show you something right here, how this works. First compartment here is our filter socks. So this is mechanical filtration. This removes any physical debris from the water. Then we have our chemical filtration. We have carbon and GFO. So the carbon will remove any contaminants from the water, any chemicals that were left behind, and it also helps clarify the water, gets rid of any yellow tint or anything like that. The GFO is a phosphate remover, so that helps remove phosphates from the water, which is a nutrient, which long and short means it's waste from the aquarium, from fish food and fish poop and such. This right here is a protein skimmer. So right now you can see it's doing its job. It's churning the water, creating aeration and removing proteins from the water. So this is a really nice way for you to be able to remove nutrients from the water column itself. Right here we have our chaetomorpha with a light. The light is off right now because I like to keep it on an opposite schedule from the aquarium. That helps balance out CO2 and also has other benefits as well. This right here is our biopellet reactor, which this can only work well if you have a good skimmer. Biopellet reactor, it provides food to bacteria and other microbial sources that help remove waste from the water. So this is basically steroids for the bacteria to really work well, and then you can remove the waste that the bacteria creates itself. A little complicated, but it makes sense if you think about it. Right here is our main pump. So this is an Abyss 400. This is real piece of machinery right here. It might not look like it, but the Germans do it best. And right here is where it returns up to our tank. But before it does, we do break off down here into our chiller. We have a nice trade wind chiller here. And then it breaks off over here into our manifold, which has a UV sterilizer. This helps remove any parasites from the water. It also breaks down a lot of algae components, so it kills algae at the source. And then we break off into our chemical filtration that you saw earlier. So this kind of returns back and recirculates as then the water makes its way up to the aquarium. Now right here, we have a little sink and our RODI filter platform here, where we can put all our Neptune systems, energy bar, and everything else, keep it nice and neat. And there you have it, folks. This right here is our mixing station. So obviously this is very useful when it comes to mixing water, which I'm about to do right now and do a water change. See y'all later.